Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But before anything else, I'm just going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. That level has served its purpose for now, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere it looks. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made, which is based on a foundational rule in charting, and that rule states that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So great to see that the price recovered back up above $1.60, and that'll definitely be one of the areas of support to watch going forward. But a very straightforward way to kind of gauge the health of the current movement with the bounce up today is to watch that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, meaning next week that line is going to keep on moving higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, and this right here is how I'm defining, quote unquote, the overall move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. So watch that purple line, and like I said, as a very simplistic way to gauge the overall health of the chart. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, two main levels stand out. First area is just the near-term area, and that sits right there at $1.69. And then the next key level of resistance after that, right up there from these previous highs, and that's up there at $1.73. So $1.69, $1.73, next couple of key battlegrounds to watch going forward. But very, very nice recovery, especially when you consider Thursday in that video how the price had just rolled right back over, but quickly snapped back upwards. So it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.